Does your TV picture keep freezing while you're watching your favorite show, but the sound keeps playing? Or maybe both video and audio pause randomly? Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fix the freezing issue permanently, step by step. Show TV screen frozen mid-scene. Add glitch sound plus frustrated viewer. Step 1. Restart your TV. Let's start simple. In most cases, picture freezing is caused by a minor glitch that can be fixed with a simple restart. You might be surprised how many display and performance problems disappear just by doing this. First, use your remote to turn off the TV. Then, unplug it completely from the power outlet. Don't just switch it off. Physically disconnect the plug. Now, wait for at least 1 full minute. This pause gives your TV's internal memory, called the cache, time to clear out. Step 2. Check cable connections. If restarting didn't fix the issue, the next suspect is your cables, especially HDMI or AV connections. A loose, dusty, or damaged cable can interrupt video signals, causing your picture to freeze even when the sound continues. Start by turning off your TV and inspecting the back panel. Gently remove each HDMI and AV cable one by one. Check the metal pins inside the connectors. If they're bent, corroded, or dusty, that's a problem. Clean the ports with a soft brush or compressed air. Avoid using wet cloths or metal objects. The cheap or low-quality HDMI cables can degrade over time and cause intermittent freezing, especially during HD or 4K playback. If you're using external devices like a streaming stick, soundbar, or gaming console, make sure their connections are tight too. A loose connection anywhere in the chain can break the video feed momentarily, freezing the image. Step 3. Check internet connection. If your picture freezes only while streaming, like on Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or Disney+, it's almost always a network issue, not the TV itself. Streaming apps need a constant flow of data. If your Wi-Fi signal drops or your speed fluctuates, your video will pause, buffer, or completely freeze. Let's fix that. Go to your TV's network or internet settings and check the signal strength. If it's showing weak or unstable, that's the problem. Try moving your Wi-Fi router closer to your TV, ideally within the same room, without thick walls blocking the signal. If that's not possible, consider using an Ethernet cable to connect your TV directly to the router. A wired connection is always faster and more stable than Wi-Fi. And that's it. Your TV should now run smoothly without freezing. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share to help others fix the same issue.